Hello, my name is Tianle Li. My coding squad consists of me, Zachary Montemayor, Michael Deriss, and Brian Sun, and we created Dr. Where. Here's a picture of our group. Our app is a medical app. The purpose of our app is to help people find the best doctor for their signs of symptoms with the best service and facilitate the process of finding them that doctor. And our app are intended for everyone, but especially for the elderly and parents because of our user-friendly aspect. Our app is coded in the environment of Android Studio, and we code it in the language of Java and XML. And here's our app demonstration. Welcome to the opening page of our app. Please don't get distracted by the beautiful and ever-changing color background that we have. And located on the bottom right is the instruction manual. Click on it, it will tell you how to use the app. Now let's enter some symptoms. Cough. Notice that one of the diagnoses have disappeared. That's because that disease does not have cough as a symptom. Let's enter some more. Fever. Our app has diagnoses less and less possible disease. Well, that's because our program has a special algorithm that calculates and narrows down the possible diagnosis based on the symptoms that you entered. Let's enter an unusual one. Chills. That's a special one. Oh, there's only 2 left now. Well, if you don't think that you have TB, tuberculosis, and you might think that you have ammonia, then you can click on ammonia. Clicking on ammonia will give you the doctors that specialize in that area. And for each doctors, we have a rating based on a scale of 1 to 5. And we have price and quality reviews on the doctor. We also have address of the office and the miles away from your house. And all these informations will help you determine and find the best suitable doctor for you. And our app is so cool that we even made a song for it.
App is Dr. Where, Dr. Where, taking patients to their care, technology and medicine, working in perfect unison.